Up guys, Fire Dragon here. Today I am eating clams. Delicious. Can you see that? So let's see what I've eaten so far. I've eaten crickets and squid. So let's eat some clams. It don't smell that bad. It smells like gravy, like biscuits and gravy. Okay, so that's good because the last one is smelled bad and tasted bad. Hopefully it's like the last one and it tastes like the smell. It tastes like biscuits and gravy. Okay. Alright. Hopefully I get a pearl at least. That'd be cool. Hi. Want some? Okay, and when I look at it, I don't want to eat it, but say hi to everybody. Hey, you want this? Say hi to everybody. No, okay. All right, here we go. Hold on. Nope, that's disgusting. That is disgusting. Don't eat that. That's disgusting. Okay, y'all watching this, do not eat clams. It is the disgustingest thing ever. I don't know why. My dog wanted to eat that. She smelled the biscuits and gravy.